Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook deep fried fish with sweet and sour chili sauce, or in Thai we call it pla rap plik. So for the fish today I'll be using Seabass. This weight about 1 kilogram, cut and clean. And I have 5 pieces of red chili, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice, about half a cup of cut cilantro, and some water. Alright, since we have cut and cleaned the fish, I'm going to go ahead and marinate the fish, then we can go and fry it. To marinate the fish, I'm going to use just salt. Just put a little salt, no need to put so much because later on our chili sauce will have the salty taste from the fish sauce. Alright, after we marinate the fish with salt, I'm going to sprinkle it with flour. Okay. When you sprinkle the fish with flour like this, right, it will have less oil to splash when you fry it, because flour absorbs the moisture from the fish or the water from the fish. Alright, done marinating the fish with the flour and the salt. Notice that I don't put it back on the tray because on the tray has some water, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the fish directly into the hot oil to fry it. Once we put in the fish, we're not going to touch it, so make sure that when you put in the fish, you just need to position it properly. So I'm going to just put it with my hand, hold like that. Be careful when you use it, you may want to use the spatula. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to leave it to cook here until the fish is cooked. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting for the fish to cook, I have cut the chili into pieces like this, all of them. And I'm going to use the pounder, mortar and pestle, to pound all the chili. Because I want the chili to be a bit flaky, so I don't want to blend it. So I'm just going to pound it only. Alright, you just want to have the chili flaky like that. Right, chili is ready. Now we can go and cook the sauce first. Let's take a look at the fish. When you fry the fish, right, if it's able to move, or is able to move like that, meaning that it's already cooked at the bottom. You see this fish, right, it's a bit long, so I'm going to leave it up a bit, cook just the tail. I'm going to cook it for another 7 minutes. While waiting for the fish, we're going to cook the sauce. So we're going to put in the oil in the pan, and we're going to fry the chili first. Be careful when you fry the chili, because it might cause coughing or sneezing. Just need to protect yourself with face mask if you can. Alright, chili is ready. Now I'm going to put in the tamarind water. Sugar. Fish sauce. Just about 1/4 cup of water. Alright, so I'm going to leave it to cook and bring it to boil. Oh, the fish is ready. See, if I can move it, means it's ready. Ah, okay, fish is cooked. But the tail is not cooked, so I'm just going to like support the fish to cook the tail for a bit. Just like that. Alright, fish tail is cooked and it's crispy now, so I'm going to take it out from the oil. And we're going to put it on the serving plate. Ooh. Alright, the chili sauce is cooking and the water has reduced quite a lot. So at this stage, if you want to add more gravy, you can add water. But just make sure that they cook together well. And so this much of gravy that I want, so I'm just going to give it a taste now. It's enough sour, enough salty, but it's lack of sweetness. So I'm going to add just another half tablespoon of sugar. At this stage, if you want to add anything like you want to add more sour, want to add more salty, you can either add the tamarind water or the fish sauce. Now I can give it a taste again. This is perfect. A bit sour, sweet and salty, but it's not spicy. Perfect. So I'm going to switch off the heat. And then we're going to put cilantro leaf. Give it a stir. Oh, it looks so yummy. Alright, the sweet and sour chili sauce is ready. Now we can go and pour over the fish. This kind of dish is best served once it's cooked. So let's eat. So I'm going to take some fish here. Look at that. A bit of sauce. Have it with rice. Wow, delicious. The sauce is sweet, sour, salty, and it's not spicy at all. And the fish fried just perfectly. Deep fried fish with this kind of sauce, it goes so well together, especially when you eat it with rice. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.